So welcome back guys. So we are going to solve this question with another approach, minimax sum. So in the last approach we find the sum and we subtracted the minimum and maximum value from that sum. Okay, so now in this approach, now in this sample input, the inputs are already sorted. Okay, so the inputs are already sorted, so that's why we can say that we will find the sum of these first four numbers to find the minimum sum, and the sum of these last four numbers for the maximum sum. Okay, we can do that as these elements are already sorted. But if elements are not sorted, they are unsorted, then first of all we have to sort all elements. Okay, so we will use this approach. Okay, using this we can do one liner in our Python. Okay, so I will show that how can we do the things. Okay, so here they are taking input in and they are saving that in this array list, and they are passing this array list to this minimax sum. So now I have to find the minimum sum of four numbers and maximum sum of four numbers. Okay, so for that, first of all I will directly print. Okay, I will sort my array. Okay, sorted. Okay, sorted is the function using that we can sort our list. Okay, now I will show you. I will print thing. On that basis you will find that our array is now sorted. So now you can see that our array is sorted now. Yeah, means the input is, in this case we are getting input here. If you see here, we are getting the sorted array. Okay, so now from this sorted array we want to find the sum of starting four numbers. Okay, so for that, okay, so I will apply the sum function on this sorted array. Okay, I will apply the sum function, but now I wanted this only starting four numbers. Okay, means starting four values of the sorted array. Okay, so now I will write here. Okay, I will write here in bracket. Okay, starting four numbers means I will not give the range, starting range. I will just write here 4. Okay, means it will take the range till 4 values. Okay, so now I will see, I am just printing. Okay, yeah, it is working. Okay, means we are just adding our first four numbers. Okay, so using that I am finding minimum sum. Now I will find my maximum sum. So I will similarly copy this thing. See, only I have to change that, I have to change the range. Okay, now as we are taking these first four numbers, now I have to start, I want to find the last four numbers sum. So now I will write here. Okay, now I will not give the ending range, I will give the starting range. Okay, means start adding sum from the first position. Okay, this is my first position on our list. Okay, so now I will just run the code. I think it should work fine. Okay, there is nothing so much. Okay, so that was the approach, and I think this was the simple one. So thank you.